my hemorrhoid is completely gone. It healed. I would say by day 5 it was 100% gone. And I currently have a very nice setup for where I sit. In fact, I'm going to show it to you guys now. This will help to prevent future hemorrhoids. Okay, so we got a wheelchair cushion here, which is really nice, but then this is the icing on top. This is an inflated cushion, and it really takes a lot of your weight as the air compresses. And then I got a car chair cushion, and then I got the original cushion, which is just completely flat. And I actually cut the chair open, and I just put some foam down. This is just polyethylene foam. I emptied it out. I used to keep replacing it with fresh cotton, but I was like, I mean, that stuff goes flat so fast, there's no point. So I just keep a little bit of foam in there. I don't even consider that part of my cushion. The cushion really starts with the inflatable, and then the wheelchair cushion second. And if you guys think I'm not the authority on office chair comfort, you're wrong. You guys should listen to me, because I sit 70 hours a week or 80 hours a week. I'm sitting in this chair. So I have to have a chair that is supremely comfortable. Supreme. Or else I will get hemorrhoids.